The video begins with an aerial shot of the Mercedes AMG G63 P900 driving through a stunning scenic landscape, perhaps mountains or coastal roads. The Mercedes logo appears on the screen as the car continues its journey, immediately grabbing the viewer's attention. The scene transitions smoothly to various exterior shots of the G63 P900, with the camera panning over the car's sleek lines and distinctive grille. The AMG branding is showcased prominently, with shots highlighting the well-crafted body design and the different paint finishes available. The exterior segment is carefully framed to highlight the luxury and engineering prowess of the vehicle. Moving inside, the video focuses on the rich and luxurious interior of the G63 P900. Close-up shots reveal the finely stitched leather seats, the sleek and advanced dashboard, and the cutting-edge infotainment system. The video emphasizes the premium materials used throughout the interior, from the soft-touch leather to the gleaming metallic accents. The infotainment system is shown in action, demonstrating its user-friendly interface and advanced capabilities. The performance highlights are a pure adrenaline rush. The G63 P900 is captured in action, showcasing its breathtaking acceleration, precise handling, and robust off-road capabilities. Dynamic shots and quick cuts are employed to convey the raw power and speed of the vehicle. The segments include the car navigating winding roads, accelerating on a straight track, and tackling rough terrains with ease. The sound design throughout these performance highlights brings the AMG engine's unique growl to life, making the viewer almost feel the power of the engine. As the video nears its conclusion, the G63 P900 is seen parked in an elegant setting, perhaps in front of a modern architectural masterpiece or a high-end resort. The final scene overlays text highlighting key specifications and features, such as the engine type, horsepower, premium materials, and advanced technological features.